If you feel like living a pain-free life just isn't possible because you've tried everything, Dr. Sophie Jacob wants to share her method that could change your life, not only easily, but naturally. Dr. Jacob, so glad to have you here again. So is it true that you really can help people get rid of their pain?
Well, I have helped eliminate people's pain for well over 2 decades now as a chiropractic physician, doing functional medicine and clinical nutrition. And I happen to come from a very strong background of natural healing, as I'm a second generation from my dad. And one quote I love and I stand by is by Thomas Edison. He says, "The doctor of the future will give no medication, but will interest his patient in the care of the human frame and diet and in the prevention of disease." And that's very important. Our structure dictates our function. If we just take care of this alone, 80% of condition may improve. So it is a powerful statement. And so I do love to empower people by helping you getting out of pain and losing weight if it applies, and just, so you can be, perform like your body was designed to do.
So we're talking about pain like neuropathy, knee pain, back pain. Tell people how they can benefit from the method that you use.
Well, I will address, I work on the nervous system with many angles. First of all, with the adjustments. And for neuropathy, knee pain, and those conditions, we work on the extremities. And neuropathy is chronic, complex condition. It can stem from trauma, spinal stenosis, disc problem, diabetes, certain form of cancer treatment, even some medication. So we need to use an entire holistic approach with them. And the modality I use is proven to help repair and regenerate tissues. It helps with pain, inflammation, improve range of motion, and restore strength immediately. And for neuropathy, knee pain, extremity, plantar fasciitis, I use a modality that will increase circulation, because those patients don't have good peripheral circulation to begin with. That causes a lot of their problems. So one 8-minute treatment will increase your circulation by 30 to 40%. So it's very beneficial. The more you increase oxygen, the more you improve circulation and get mobility in those joints, the more healing effect you will have. So it is very powerful. And we also I do a lot of clinical nutrition, like I mentioned. We have a cutting-edge supplement that is anti-aging, but this will help that. It's called Blood Flexibility Formula, or the BFF, or Best Friend Forever, we refer to as, because this will help with increased nitric oxide, which is enhancing vascularization, opens your blood vessel, decrease inflammation. It helps you repair, it improves oxygen, and will help lower blood pressure if patients have it. It does help so much. And it's from whole real food. It's a chewable, in fact. It tastes awesome. It tastes really good. So people don't like
Love to hear that.
I know. Yeah, I know people like that, but it is true, and it gives you energy. And so this is something that, a lot of clinical nutrition we do, and this is something somebody can have. This is one that will deliver the good. So again, it's all about helping you, empowering you and regaining your health and extend your health and your longevity.
Yes, and you have helped a lot of people here locally, so I want our viewers to take a listen to some of their stories.
My experience was that I had knee pain. All of a sudden I was faced with knee pain, and fortunate enough I saw an advertisement about her and called her up because I wanted to relieve the pain, of course, because it was disturbing the quality of my life. And then I went in, x-rays further, and then I started learning about her qualifications and training and her passion for people in wellness and health of them, and state-of-the-art equipment. So it was just maybe a couple of weeks, just a few short visits. Well, the pain was completely gone from my knee and hadn't returned, so it was beneficial right off.
In 3 months, I've gone from an 8, I would say, chronic daily pain to about a 4. And when I'm having a flare-up, it's like 5, maybe 4.5. I walk 4 miles. I'm on the bike 4 miles 3 times a week. And so it's just overall wellness. But my emotions, when I met Dr. Jacobs, she just zeroed in on my childhood trauma that I thought I had dealt with over and over. And in the process of getting aligned, of doing the infrared, of doing the beamer, my emotions are so stable. I'm so sure of myself, and I'm able to do things that I haven't done for 19 years.
And I can see how happy it makes you when you hear from your patients and how you've helped them. But real quickly, why is it so important to get adjustments?
Well, you think about it that way. Your nervous system controls and coordinates the function of every organ, cell, tissue of your body. So every adjustment will maximize that flow of energy that's vital to sustain life. It improves mobility to the spine, and it gets your body out of stress because your body will not heal or repair under stress. It will make you age quicker. Adjustment is proven to reduce interleukin-6, which is an inflammation marker, and also reduce cortisol. So it does do a lot of good. The better mobility, posture, and alignment you have, the better health and vitality you will get. And also it improves your immune system, it boosts your immune system. So there's a lot of benefits, it's proven with that. And this is just a foundation. We do a whole lot more than that. Like I can go on, but yeah, we're limited with time right now.
Right,
so.
But you cover the entire spectrum and have everybody listening to you. So thank you, Dr. Jacob, for being here today. And for the first 20 callers who call 520-891-2882, you can get a spinal and neurological exam for only $99 plus a free bottle of Opti BFF, your best friend forever, as she was saying. Again, that number is 520-891-2882.